Hey creators, ever dreamed of reaching millions of viewers who don't speak your language? What if I told you there's a free AI tool on YouTube that can help you do that? Well, dream no more. Today, we are diving into YouTube's AI dubbing tool, specifically Aloud, and I'll show you how to use it to go global with your content. So, what exactly is Aloud? It's YouTube's innovative AI-powered tool designed to help creators translate and dub their videos into multiple languages. Think of it as your personal free translation assistant. Currently, it's available to creators in the YouTube Partner Program (YPP) and primarily works by taking your original English video and generating automatic dubs into several other languages. The goal? To break down those pesky language barriers and help your amazing content find new audiences across the world without you needing to hire expensive translators or voice actors right away. Using Aloud is surprisingly straightforward. Once you're in the YouTube Creator Studio, you'll find the option under your video details. Here's the simplified process. First, you upload your original video as usual. Then, you'll access the Aloud tool. It analyzes your audio, transcribes it, and then generates a translated script. The magic happens when it uses AI to dub your video with an AI voice speaking the new language. Once the dub is generated, you get to review it. This step is crucial, and we'll talk more about it in a bit. After reviewing and making any necessary edits, you simply publish the new audio track alongside your original video. Your viewers can then select their preferred language. Now, let's talk about the exciting part, the benefits. The biggest one, it's free. Yes, completely free for eligible creators. This alone makes it an incredible tool for 1. Reaching new audiences. Suddenly, your content is accessible to people in Japan, Spain, Germany, and more, significantly expanding your potential viewership. 2. Low-cost market testing. Want to know if your cooking channel would be popular in Brazil? Instead of investing heavily in professional Portuguese dubbing, you can use Aloud to gauge interest. It's a low-risk way to test new markets. 3. Efficiency. It automates a process that used to be incredibly time-consuming and expensive, allowing you to focus on creating more great content. But, like any new technology, Aloud isn't perfect yet. And it's super important to be aware of its current limitations. The most common feedback is regarding the AI voices. While they're getting better, they can sometimes sound a bit robotic or lack the natural inflections of a human voice. This might impact the viewing experience for some. Secondly, while generally good, AI translations aren't always 100% accurate, especially with nuances, slang, or very specific terminology. This can lead to minor errors or awkward phrasing. So, while it's a fantastic starting point, it's not a full replacement for professional human translation and voice acting, especially for highly sensitive or nuanced content. Knowing these pros and cons, how can you make Aloud work best for you? 1. Clear original audio. This is non-negotiable. The clearer your original audio, the better Aloud can transcribe and translate it. Invest in a good microphone. 2. Always manually review. This is probably the most critical step. Watch the dubbed version yourself, or even better, have a native speaker review it for accuracy and flow. Fix any awkward phrasing or errors. 3. Strategize your content. For now, consider using Aloud for content that is less reliant on highly emotional delivery or complex cultural nuances. Think tutorials, educational content, or unboxing videos. 4. Use it for testing, not just scaling. If you see a particular language audience responding well to your AI dubbed videos, that's your cue. It might be time to invest in a more professional, human localized version for that specific market. So, should you be using YouTube's AI dubbing tool? My answer is absolutely yes. Especially if you're looking to test new markets, expand your audience, reach without upfront costs, or just get your feet wet in international content. It's an amazing tool that's rapidly improving, and being an early adopter gives you a significant advantage. Just remember to use it strategically and review your results. That's a wrap on YouTube's Aloud AI dubbing tool. I hope this guide helps you unlock new possibilities for your channel. Have you tried Aloud yet? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creator tips, and check out this video next on how to optimize your YouTube channel for growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.